Warning: working with cryptocurrencies requires training and developed skills. Making a small error can result in the total loss of crypto in that transaction. Use crypto and this video at your own risk. This video is not an official G999 video. I am a crypto enthusiast sharing my own experience. I accept no liability for anything that happens from your use of the information in this video. This video is for example educational purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. Hi there, here is a video on how to apply for the Masternode setup service for G999 Masternodes. There's several parts to this process. First one is to go to G999main.net and go to Masternodes. Then here is the setup service option. Click on Access Now and scroll down a bit. We're going to come back to this in a bit, but the best option here is the 2-year option. And that is the first step, is to go have that web page set up. The next step is that you're going to want to log into your GS Trade account to your dashboard. You're going to be moving some coins from there to your desktop wallet. You should already have your desktop wallet set up. If you don't, go to YouTube and search for G999 tutorials. Go to my playlist there and select the G999 desktop wallet setup to see how to install the desktop wallet on your device. Once you have that done and it's synced, it will be on your computer like this. And we're going to be moving some G999 tokens from your GS Trade account to your desktop wallet, and then from there to the Masternode setup service. To do that, first you want to go to your desktop core wallet. You can go to File. You're going to go to Receiving Addresses. And the first time you do this, you're going to have just one address here, and there's going to be no label here. To add that label, you're going to right-click here and go Edit, and then type in something like G999 Core Wallet, like I have here. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to send some tokens from the GS Trade Exchange to your core wallet. Ideally, you want to send just the 999 airdrop G999 token so that you can test the process. And this is a habit you should get into whenever dealing with cryptocurrencies and exchanges. The first time you are using a wallet or a new exchange, always send a test amount, a small test amount first. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to right-click on the address you're going to send to and copy the address. This is copied from your core wallet. You're going to go back to your GS Trade Exchange account. You're going to go down to your G999 line and you're going to select Withdraw. Then you're going to go Please select a wallet. This time, as your first time, you're going to go Save New Wallet. And what you're going to do is you're going to paste, right-click and paste, or Control-V to paste that address in there, and then give it a label like G999 Core Wallet, so that you know that you're sending coins to your desktop core wallet. At this time, from GS Trade Exchange, you can withdraw 2 different kinds of amounts, 3 different kinds of amounts. First one is the 999 educational airdrop, and then you can also withdraw the 4,999 educational airdrop. And if you haven't withdrawn your node amount yet, then you can withdraw 750099 G999 tokens. But you first want to withdraw the 999 educational airdrop tokens as a test. Now, whenever you are copying and pasting wallet addresses, you always want to triple check the first 3 or 4 characters and the last 3 or 4 characters to make sure that the address has been pasted properly. So you would go back to your wallet, you look up the address, look at the first 3 or 4 characters and the last 3 or 4 characters, and then go back to the place that you have pasted the address into and confirm those characters. So in this case, I'm just going to be using this address here, GF6N8HSH, GF6N8HSH, and you can see that that's working fine. To confirm what amounts you have available to withdraw, you can go to History and Imports, and any amounts that are available for withdrawal at this time will be listed as available for withdrawal, and any amounts that are available for withdrawal at this time will be listed as available for withdrawal. Go back to Wallet and Balance, and G999 line, Withdrawal. Select your wallet, enter the number of coins. I always just click into the right here, type in the number of coins, then a bunch of zeros until you get the right amount. And then you're going to go Submit. Enter the 2FA code. Then go Confirm. Go OK. Then you'll need to go to your email and click on the link to approve that withdrawal. Alright, you see the email has come in. Click on that and then go Approve. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see Action Approved, so you know that you're good. And you will repeat this process with any other amounts that you wish to withdraw from GS Trade Exchange. Once you have submitted for withdrawal, you can go, if you like, you can go up to History and Withdrawals to see that the transaction has started. And until you receive the TX, or the transaction hash, it won't have hit the blockchain. You might have to wait just a few minutes. After waiting a few minutes, you can go to your desktop core wallet and you will see that the transaction has started to come in. A question mark means that it has 0 confirmations, and as soon as it receives its first confirmation, you'll see that it will change to a countdown timer until it gets to 6 confirmations, and then it will switch to a check mark. If you double click on any transaction, you will get the details of that transaction, and you will need the transaction ID here when you are sending tokens for the Masternode setup service. So we'll come back to that in a bit. It normally only takes a few minutes for the 6 confirmations to come in, so we'll just let that happen. As we have to wait for all 6 confirmations to complete before we can send G999 tokens from your desktop core wallet to the Masternode setup service. Now that you have confirmed that you know how to withdraw tokens properly from GS Trade Exchange to your core wallet, you can then withdraw the Masternode tokens that you need to send to the Masternode setup service. So you go back to your GS Trade account and you go to Wallet and Balance, and you're going to do the next withdrawal. You can withdraw, and this time you are going to again select your G999 desktop core wallet. This time you're going to enter, just click at the end here after the last 0 and enter the amount that you can withdraw this time, 750099, and enter a number of zeros until you get the right number. Right? In this case, it's just saying the balance is too low because those coins are not currently available for withdrawal in this account. After December 15th, if you're watching this video, then you'll be able to withdraw whatever coins you have available in whatever amounts over the minimum amount, which I think is 50 G999. We'll see how that goes. In any event, you just enter that amount in there, and then you go Submit, and go through the same process that you did to withdraw the those 909 tokens to your desktop core wallet. Okay, once you have your 750099 coins on your core wallet, you have available G999 in that amount or more, your next step is to go back to the Masternode Setup Service website and select Configure My Masternode. You will see it says that they want you to send 750050 G999 to this particular address and then give them a confirmation transaction ID. So what you're going to do is single click, where it says copy on these two little boxes here. So you're going to click on that to copy the address. And you're going to go back to your core wallet and go send. And you're going to paste in that address there. Again, checking the first 3 to 4 characters and the last 3 to 4 characters to make sure that they match up, which in this case they do. And you can enter a label like G999 Masternode Setup Service. And this time you're going to send them the amount they have requested, which is 750050 G999 tokens. Once you have that done, you confirm the address, then you're going to click on send. And of course this account doesn't have sufficient available tokens, and that's why it's giving this notice, but your account will give you the confirmation screen where it wants you to first enter if you set up a password to encrypt your wallet, you'll enter that first, then you will confirm that transaction, and then your G999 core wallet will initiate the transaction and it will show up under your transaction listings. And what you're going to do with that is you want to double click, say you've sent it to somewhere, in this case to the Masternode Setup Service. You're going to double click on that transaction as soon as you have your check mark there. You're going to double click on that and you will see that there is a transaction ID there. So you're going to double click on that. Again, this is the transaction ID for the 750050 tokens that you have sent to the Masternode Setup Service. So it won't be the 750099. This is just something historical in my account. In your case, it will be 750050. So you're going to double click on that and Control C or right click and copy that transaction ID and then go back to the Masternode Setup Service website and paste that transaction ID in there and then click on validate. Once you do that, it'll say payment verified successfully and they want you to fill out this form. So just enter your first name and last name and your email. And that is, notice that that is your GS Trade registration email. You can have a different contact email address if you wish. To that there. And then you would just go on to the next step, where it's asking you to now pay for the Masternode server setup fee that you have requested. You can pay either with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, you need to have that purchased or in one of your wallets beforehand. You can have it in a wallet on your phone, on your computer, from another exchange that you have Bitcoin or Ethereum on. You could have moved it already to your GS Trade account. If that's what you have done, that's fine. If you have Bitcoin or Ethereum in here already, then you're just going to withdraw it to the address they give you. And once you have your Bitcoin or Ethereum available, you can see here that this is the amount you need to pay. Just remember to add any fees, any withdrawal fees from wherever you're sending it to, add it to this amount so that the net amount, just remember that this is the net amount that you need to send the Masternode Setup Service. So add any fees. And once you have done that, calculated that, click on Pay Now. And you will see that the amount might change slightly because prices fluctuate with Bitcoin and Ethereum quite quickly. So anyway, this is the amount here. You're going to add your fee amount to that, and that is the amount that you're either going to send by scanning this QR code with your phone wallet app, or using this address here. If you're using this address here, just like double click on it, and copy it, or Control-C. Just remember always to check the first 4 characters and last 4 characters. And you are going to send the setup service this fee. When you have submitted that fee, what's going to happen is you're going to see a screen with a countdown on it where the crypto payment transaction is getting confirmed. So with Bitcoin, I think they're looking for 3 confirmation. You'll see a little circle here with the countdown going. And then Bitcoin is a little bit slower than Ethereum usually. So you will see the confirmation countdown timer going here. And once the confirmation countdown has been completed, you'll see another screen where you need to fill out your contact information. They're going to ask for information like your Zoom ID or your Team Viewer ID. Best way to do it is just to use Zoom. You have to have your own Zoom account, not the free account, because it usually only lasts for 40 minutes, I think. So you need to go and get the, you see the basic account only lasts for 40 minutes, and the setup service has multiple people helping. So not 1-on-1, but 1-on-3 or 1-on-4, and it only lasts for 40 minutes. So you'll need, at least for 1 month, the pro version here. So you have to buy that separately, just for a month. And so once you complete that form, they will contact you by email to connect with you over Zoom and complete the setup of your Masternode or nodes for you. And there you go. That is the process for requesting and paying for the Masternode setup service. Thank you, and see you in the next video.